Pop-ups, video ads, banner ads, they're everywhere. Whether you're watching YouTube, browsing news sites, or downloading files, ads can slow down your device and ruin your online experience. But the good news? You can remove almost all of them for free. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful tools to block annoying ads and enjoy a faster, cleaner internet. First on the list is uBlock Origin. This is one of the most trusted and lightweight ad blockers available. It's completely free, open source, and works on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and even Brave. Just go to your browser's extension store, search uBlock Origin, and install it. Once active, it automatically blocks most ads, trackers, and even some malware scripts, without slowing down your browser. You'll instantly notice pages loading faster and fewer pop-ups trying to distract you. Next, we have AdGuard. Unlike simple ad blockers, AdGuard offers system-wide protection, meaning it can block ads not just in your browser, but also inside apps and games. There's a premium version, but the AdGuard Browser Extension is 100% free. It removes banners, video ads, and floating pop-ups while keeping your browsing data private. If you care about privacy, AdGuard is a great balance between protection and performance. And number 3, Brave Browser. This one takes things to another level. Brave has built-in ad and tracker blocking by default, so you don't need extra extensions. It's fast, private, and even rewards you with cryptocurrency for viewing optional ads. If you're tired of Chrome hogging memory and showing ads everywhere, switching to Brave can make a huge difference. Before you go all in, here's a quick tip. No ad blocker is perfect. Some websites rely on ads to survive, so consider whitelisting the sites you truly support, like small blogs or creators you enjoy. That way, you block the bad stuff but still help the good ones grow. So there you have it, uBlock Origin, AdGuard, and Brave Browser, 3 free tools that can clean up your online experience and make your browsing faster, safer, and ad-free. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.